Well, good morning everybody. I've already had my coffee, you can see here, and got some sausages out for later. But yeah, what I'm going to do today is I'm doing obviously watching old premieres, and I've got the members playing. That's Lowland Tanners TV, Julski Japson, Jack's Life and Hazel's Corner, and obviously all the rest of them I'll be playing their latest videos, so I'll be watching these already, so they're all on the go. But yeah, Robot Hoover, absolutely brilliant. I see this on FemFam's channel, and it looked pretty good, and I thought I'm going to buy one of them. I'll tell you what, that's the best thing I've ever bought. And it picks up, it's unbelievable what it picks up. Just let it go all day, and it comes back and charges itself up and then pops off the next day. And yeah, really good. Ended up moving my Xbox back from behind the telly to the front, because it's a pain in the butt when I'm trying to watch DVDs. So that's back out. That's the back for the flies, all the insects, spiders and some humans. Funny story about it actually. But yeah, but what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a little bit of this. I don't know if you've seen these, but these are really good for pet hairs. And because obviously we've got a cat that likes to sleep on this pillar. Basically, you just brush this, keep brushing it and brushing it and brushing it, obviously the right way. And you see that? Unbelievable, isn't it? And what you do, you get it back in this thing. You need 2 hands to do this. Put it in there, put it back out, in and out a few times, and it cleans it all off. Then you go again. So that's really good. So I'm gonna do the stairs in a minute. So yeah. So and also a little couple of little updates. Ended up getting a new keyboard because the other one was too big and bulky. So I got a nice slim one. Got rid of the little speakers, and I had a sound bar that come off from the TV, so I've connected that to the computer. Sounds awesome. And what I'm going to do when I get it is I bought some compressed air for these. You see the dust? It gets sucked in here. It's absolutely caked, and inside as well. So I'm going to, I don't know if you can see that actually. No, you can't really see it. But when the fans stop, oh, I can see it, but it's got loads of dust in there that needs getting out. So that's another job for another day. So I'll have to disconnect everything. Turn that off. But yeah, so let's crack on with the stairs. Amazing, isn't it? We'll have to clean that out. So, that's the stairs done. I mean, you can see that. So yeah, that works out pretty well. So it gets all the cat hair off, and just like rub it out around the edges with the Hoover, and it's done. Shame the robot don't do stairs, but obviously it's got no legs, so that ain't gonna happen. So that's that done, and yeah. So again, this thing is absolutely awesome. This thing, he's having a sleep at the moment because he's been working hard today, so it's charging up again. So yeah, so if you want to see the unboxing video, go visit FemFam because they've got it on their channel. That's where I see it, and I thought, you know, I've got to keep up with the Joneses, so their name ain't Jones, so I've got to keep up with the FemFams. So thanks FemFam, love it. Thank you very much. So, I'll do a bit more watching, and then we'll get on with some dinner. Give you a little update of my plants. Carrots doing really well. Tomatoes coming up, lovely. Start to flower, awesome. Courgette. The last count, I think I've got maybe 3 or 4 on there, starting to grow. More tomatoes, potatoes are doing their thing. Runner beans are going nice, and the snap peas at the front. So that's all cool. Herbs are doing their thing. Basil started to come back, love it. Spring onions, that's done. Coriander, parsley, love it. Cobwebs, chives. Lovely chives, they're doing good, and the rest of the plants are looking lovely. So we had some rain, now it's lovely and warm again, so they're all doing their thing. So let's crack on, get some dinner going. Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. So after my little adventures earlier on today, what I'm going to do is get some spuds on. Potatoes, any potatoes you like. These are potatoes. So what I'm going to do is just peel these quickly. Hey. Okay, so the potatoes are on, and what I've got is some of these, which is from our local like farm shop, and obviously don't worry about the date because these have been in the freezer. So these are pork and apple sausages. These are going to be really nice. I'll just get these out of the packet. What I'm going to do these in the oven. On this in this tray, and we can see how much fat comes out of it, but normally they're pretty good. So the the story on the fly swatter, my daughter's boyfriend, fiance, he's from Romania. And I don't think he's seen one before, and he was asking what it was. I said, oh, it's a fly swatter. And I said, what does it do? I said, well, it electrocutes the flies. And he's got his fingers round the bat and touching it. I said, all you have to do is, like, when you swat it, you just press the button. So he's got his fingers on it, press the button at the same time. Oh my god, it was so funny. It's I've never seen somebody jump so much. So that's the story on that part of it. So all I'm going to do with these is just stab them a few times, and we'll put these in the oven, and we'll bring them out in a little while, and we'll see how they're doing, how much fat comes out of them. But I say normally they're pretty good, so we'll see you soon. Look at them. Another 10 minutes. Okay, so there we go. Good old sausage and mash. We've got a mash, obviously potatoes, with mustard, egg, and chives, and cheese. Really smells lovely. Some normal mixed veg. They're pork and apple sausages that smell lovely. There's no fat coming out of those, so that's really good. And a gravy mix with onions and garlic, mint and parsley. it smells really good. So I'm going to go and give this to Mrs. Urban, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Take it easy. Bye.
1 hour later.
Okay, on a second note, the meal was absolutely delicious. Very, very tasty. And obviously we've got some left over. Obviously we're not going to eat everything I'll cook. So these two are going in the freezer. And we've got some mashed sausage and some gravy. And we can add some like veggies later. Just some meals when you can't be arsed, and just get these out. So, see you later. Take it easy.